How to use Sephora referral program. Well, to use Sephora referral program, you want to open up Sephora application. Once you open up the app, or you can head into sephora.com and you can head into your profile at the bottom. Now, once you're on this page here, as you can see, you want to head into Beauty Insider Summary, tap on it. Now here, you'll be able to find the refer a friend or bring a friend option just down below towards here somewhere. Now, however, if you do not see it here like me, it's because I'm new. As you can see, I have 0 points and I have not yet spent anything on the application. So if you're not seeing the option, it's probably because the campaign is either currently restricted by membership tier, or your app version is outdated, which is most probably low, or there is a temporary account sync issue. So if you do not see it here on application, what you can also do is head into your web and you want to search in or type in Sephora refer a friend or referral code. So once you do it, you can see if you are from UK, you can see refer a friend option. If you are from US here, so refer a friend Beauty Insider community. If you head into this community page here, you'll find the link here. So someone had a similar problem of not being able to find the option, and here the helper has left a link. So you want to head into this link, make sure you are logged in before that, and it should take you to that page. So this is the page where you should be able to find that option. As you can see, it's taking you right back away, but if you use the web, you should be able to find the option. If you're still unable to find, then it is because of the reasons I mentioned. So only often rogue status members who spend that is $1,000 plus annually can see and share a referral link for others to get 20% off. Similarly, if you are at lower tier, you may not have a shareable link during specific sale windows. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.